Hey guys, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a Q&A because I love doing these videos as I feel like you guys get to know me a little bit better, and if you're new to my channel, you probably didn't know any of these things about me. By the way guys, ignore my hair. I literally just chucked it up into a ponytail because it's so greasy and I just couldn't be bothered to do anything with it. So it looks pretty bad, but oh well. Make sure to give the video a massive thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So I asked you guys on my Instagram story, you know there's like the little questions option now, and I got quite a lot of questions, so I've just chosen a few of the most interesting ones. So sorry if you didn't get picked, but hopefully next time you might get picked. So yeah, make sure you go follow me on my Instagram, cheeky self promo. So the first question is, have you met any famous YouTubers? If not, who do you want to meet? Well, I actually went to BeautyCon last year and I met quite a few YouTubers. So I met India Grace, I met Soph Does Nails, I met Keisha, I met people like Here's Hope, I met quite a few others as well, but I can't remember. And when I went out shopping, I also met Jasmine and Sophie Clough. And I would love to meet Saffron Barker and Anastasia Kingsnorth and Kate Elizabeth because they're like my favourite YouTubers, so yeah. The next question is, how has your YouTube changed your life? Wow, that's quite like a deep question. YouTube has changed my life so much. Like, I'm honestly so happy that I've started YouTube because it's made me a lot more confident as a person and changed my life in so many ways. The first way it's changed my life is that it's given me so many like new friends. Like, I've literally made so many new friendships by doing YouTube, and some of them are like my bestest friends ever, and I've like met them loads of times and I love them all so much. So if you're my internet friend and we've met or we haven't met, I love you all so much. It's also changed my life because I've got so many like supporters. I get so many DMs on Instagram every day with lovely messages which literally make me feel so happy and so loved. So thank you so much if you ever send me a message, if you comment a nice thing on my video. I honestly read pretty much all of them and they mean so much to me. So yeah, that's changed my life in that aspect. And also sometimes when I go out, quite a few people ask for photos, which again is really nice, and that's obviously changed my life because I'm more recognised in public. I'm honestly so glad that I started YouTube, and so many people ask me like I don't know whether to start YouTube, and honestly I would 100% recommend starting YouTube because it's changed my life for the better. I literally love it and I'm so grateful for all of you watching this, and you've made me become such a happier person. The next question is, when's your birthday? My birthday is on the 28th of January, so buy me a present. Joking. The next question is, what did you take for your GCSEs? So I took geography, history, drama and French. The next question is, when did you start your period? Love you too. And I started it when I was in year 8 at school. So I've had my period for just under 2 years now. And quite a few people asked me to tell you the story of my first period. But boys, if any of you are watching this, you probably want to skip past because you probably won't find it interesting, but yeah. I was in year 8 and it was a Saturday in about April, I think. So I was 13, just turned 13. And I was in a maths lesson. It was the second lesson and I needed the toilet, but it didn't feel like I needed a wee. It was kind of weird. So I asked her to go to the toilet, and I actually went to the staff toilet because the public toilet was like a 5-minute walk away. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go in the staff toilet because this feels weird. I really need the toilet. So yeah, I went into the staff toilet. I'm pretty sure that's illegal, so I might get sent to prison for going in the staff toilet. So yeah, please, if you're watching this, don't report me to the police because I could actually go to prison for going in the staff toilet. But anyway, I went in the staff toilet, pulled my pants down, and there was a stain in my pants, and I'm not going to go any further than that because that's kind of disgusting. So yeah, that's what happened. Not the most interesting, not the most gory, at least it didn't happen in front of everyone. So yeah, it was all good. I've never actually had an embarrassing period story, I don't think. Okay, the next question is, are you different off camera? I'm gonna be completely honest. Obviously I'm not the exact same person because if you know me and you're really close to me at school, you know I'm pretty weird. Like, I'm quite a crazy person, but I don't really come across like that on camera just because I can't exactly be weird on camera. Like, what can I do to be weird? I don't know. I'm trying to like put my personality more out there online because I feel like maybe a couple of years ago I wasn't really myself, and I feel like I want to be myself a lot more in my videos, which I am starting to be a lot more myself. So yeah, if you didn't realise, my videos are kind of changing. I used to do like more makeup videos and fashion videos, but now I'm moving more onto vlogs and lifestyle videos and chatty videos because that's what I enjoy watching. And I want to make my content something that I like and I like to film, so I wouldn't say I'm different off camera. It kind of depends who I'm talking to. I'm the same person, I enjoy the same things as what I do on camera, but I'm like probably more crazy. I would say I'm the same off camera, but I would say I'm slightly different in some aspects. The next question is, what's your dream country to visit? Love your channel, by the way. Thank you. And my dream country to visit is America. I've literally wanted to go to America for years. Ever since I was little, my parents said one day they'll take me to America, but have they taken me to America yet? No. That sounds really ungrateful. I know some people have never been abroad, but it's just might be my dream to go. Like, I've just seen so many videos there, so many photos there. It's just my absolute dream. Hopefully I'll go before I'm an adult. Maybe we'll go in a couple of years. If there's any companies out there that want to like send me out to America for free, then feel free to email me. My business email's in the description box. Thanks. The next question is, do you have a boyfriend? No. The next question is, do you get pocket money? No, I've actually never got pocket money before because I'm really lazy at home. I don't do any jobs really, other than making my bed and tidying my room. But other than that, I don't really do many jobs, so that I don't really think I deserve any pocket money. The next question is, do you sort out toxic relationships? Love you too. And to be honest, I don't really have many toxic relationships, just because if I do, I just instantly like block them out of my life or just stop talking to them. So I've had one or two in the past, and the best thing is just to like drift from them, don't talk to them as much, and yeah, just basically block them out of your life, because you do not deserve someone like that. There's so many more people out there that want to be your friend, so there's no point having toxic friendships. Just block them out. Block out the haters. The next question is, are you rich? Now, a lot of people assume that I'm rich. I'm not rich at all. Like, I go to a private school because that's what my family wants to do with their money. I'm not rich. I haven't been to America. We can't afford to go to America. Like, I'm not wealthy at all. I'm just normal. Like, we go on holiday every year, we get nice things, but I'm not rich. The next question is, what's your favourite app? Love you lots. Love you too. And my favourite app at the moment is TikTok, or Musical.ly, whatever you want to call it. It's changed its name. You probably think, oh my god, like, why the hell are you on Musical.ly still? Like, that's for like 10-year-olds. But honestly, when you get into it, it's so good. Like, I'm addicted to the app. I'm always doing Musical.lys. I'm always going live on Musical.ly or TikTok. I just call it Musical.ly because why did they change the name to TikTok? Like, what the hell does TikTok mean? Anyway, yeah, I always go live in there. I always follow you back. It's honestly such a good app. So if you don't have it, download it, or if you do have it, follow me. My name's Floral Louisa. I'll leave my Musical.ly on the screen. Defo go, add me, follow me, because I'd love to get to 3,000 followers on there. Okay, the next question's kind of juicy. It's kind of like in the personal level, but it's, what is the most you have done / would do with a boy? The most that I have done is a kiss, because I'm 14. Don't call me frigid, please. I would be very offended. And would you do with a boy? Probably just a kiss or a neck on or a pub, whatever you call it, because like I said, I'm 14. I'm still a child. I'm only just a teenager. So I just find it disgusting when like 12 or 13-year-olds have lost their virginity. Like, babe, you haven't even hit puberty. Like, I think you should slow down. No offense if you're like 12 and lost your virginity, but I just don't agree with it. So I don't think there's any need to rush into things with boys, because all the people that I know that have done stuff with boys that have lost their virginity, they regret it. They regret it so much. So don't do it. It's not cool. Don't do it to fit in either. The next question is, are you religious? No, I wouldn't really say I'm religious. I am actually christened, but that doesn't necessarily mean you're religious, because I got christened when I was a baby, so I didn't have the choice. I probably go to church like once or twice a year for like special occasions like Christmas and stuff. No, I wouldn't really say I'm religious. The next question is, who is your favourite YouTuber? My favourite YouTubers at the moment are Saffron Barker, Anastasia Kingsnorth, Kate Elizabeth, Grace and Grace, Obsessed. They're amazing. You need to meet them. The next question is, have you ever smoked? Thought I heard you say it in a video, but I don't know. No, I've never actually mentioned this in a video before. I'm gonna be completely honest. I haven't smoked properly, but when I was at a party, I like had one puff because I just wanted to see what it was like, and I don't think there's anything wrong with having one puff of cigarette. If you want to do that, then that's fine. Personally, I will never do it again because I just think it's disgusting. Like, they stink, they taste disgusting, and they can kill you. Like, why would you want to do that? I wasn't peer pressured into it, but basically I was at this party, I was 13. There was like 4 people in a group. They were all smoking, and I was just kind of stood there, and then they were like, oh, do you want to try it? And I was like, all right, fine. So they gave me it. I was like, had one puff, and then that was it. Like, it was pretty gross, and I went back inside because I didn't want to join in. Like, I could have had my own cigarette, but I didn't because I don't like it. But I don't think there's anything wrong with trying it once, but I just personally don't really agree with it. I was 13, I was a bit young and a bit like immature, so yeah, I don't think you should do it. It's pretty disgusting. But yeah, please don't hate on me for doing it. Like I said, I wouldn't do it again, and I don't agree with it at all. Last question was, what year are you in at school? I'm in year 10, so the first year of my GCSEs. Yay! So that is it for the video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye!